All right, hello you all. My name is Jeff Mumford and this is Renee Kusler. Today we worked on adding torque to our sugar push, our left side pass, and our whip to kind of help generate power and change direction and give a different look to our pattern. One of the things that we talked about initially with the compression is that we need to come in and catch each other, like so. You notice our arms go down to low center. Low center is dictated by the shortest person in the party. So I'm taller than Renee, so we have to go by her low center, which is the belt line. So if you notice when we go into compression, I'm compressing at a height that's comfortable for her by her belt line, as opposed to compressing up here, comfortable for me, but not comfortable for my partner. We needed that because our first variation of the sugar push is the twist. And we're redirecting down the line of dance. Leaders, we'll do it this way. It's easy to cheat this one by going to the outside of the slot. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. The follow needs the whole slot to make this work. So from this angle, we'll come this way. Really got a nice shot of the butt. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. My follow needs all of this. If I stay in the slot, it looks like this, and then she has to bounce and turn around. Okay? So from there, we did the same concept of that torque and twist on the left side pass. So we're here, 1, 2, 3, and twist, 5, and 6. The arms do not do it, right? So my partner notices that I'm staying straight. I notice that my partner is staying straight. We're going to keep traveling, twist, turn, step. And that's generally how that pattern is typically led. So like you'll have people, depending on what the music does, it's like, it's the same thing there. Only now we're just both doing 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. From here we added that to the whip. Leaders are going to go 1, 2, twist, 3, 4, holding your weight, but still being torqued. Twist, 5, step 6, 7, and 8. I would like your 6 to go down the line of dance if you are asking your partner to go that way. If you're asking your partner to come and stay here, then you don't have to travel. But if you want your partner to move, you should be willing to move with your partner. So that whip looks like this. 1, 2, twist, 3, step 4, twist, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm using that torque of my body to get myself around my partner, which then causes my partner to rotate. Follows, you want to be torqued and twisted too, because we talked about flashlighting. If you're flashlighting the leader, you're going to be torqued in this position anyway to get you down the line of dance. Okay? So we put it all together. So we're going to start with the sugar push with the twist. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left side pass. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do the whip. And 1, 2, twist, 3, 4, twist, 5, step 6, 7, and 8 with the double outside. 2, 3, twist, 4, go 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, we have to go into stretch. You don't just land and go, because that's hard for the follow. So I don't care if it takes you 10 counts, 12 counts, 46 counts. Leaders, you do whatever it takes to make sure the partner on the other end of your arm is comfortable when he or she settles. Okay, so again, with an outside turn, twist. She's going to rotate, I'm going to follow, boom, she's comfortable, stretch into the next pattern. And there we have it. Thank you all very much.